at you from the Nature Inn in Bald Eagle. We are here for a short 2-night winter stay in February. Last time we were here was 8.5 years ago for our honeymoon, and that was in August, so we figured we'd come back and try it in the winter. It is a beautiful 60-degree day, but unfortunately there's no snow left on the ground. We were really hoping for snow so we could do some cross-country skiing, but instead we'll be doing some hikes, and we're going to take you along and just show you a little bit about the park and the Nature Inn. Alright, let's go. So we are currently hiking the Skyline Trail at Bald Eagle State Park. This makes my 4th hike of the year and our first hike of this trip. So I lied earlier, now we're on the Skyline Trail. We were just on the Butterfly Trail, which connects to the Skyline Trail. Today we are hiking the Hunter Run East Trail. It's about a 2-mile trail. It's supposed to be more difficult terrain with some wet spots and elevation change, but there's supposed to be a lake view along this trail. And it's a beautiful brisk morning, right at the freezing mark, about 32 degrees. Just finishing up the Hunter Run East Trail, and I wouldn't call it difficult hiking. It was this wide mowed path the whole time. There was some ups and downs and some mud puddles to walk through, but it was overall a fairly easy trail. Great for birding if you're into that. Tons of birds. We even saw a grouse. But we got done just in time because it's just starting to rain. Alrighty. Butterfly Trail, which is an easy 1.5 mile trail. Getting ready to leave this morning, go back home. So we thought we would just do an easy one today.